Ah, hello, how are you? How's that? My friend hadn't decided whether he was going to let the thing show, the video show or not. He was wondering if what I was going to say was important enough, I think, or relevant enough or something. These are important things to think about if you're a phone. Well, me, but it's my phone. Good phone, right? Love stuff, everyone. So, I just look here on YouTube. Paramyata. Thank you. Looks so pretty. Okay. Hey, she said, I love you. She said that all things are linked. Yeah, I think she's right. Another thing that's on the short that I watched about her on YouTube. She said that no one will truly understand the nature of reality. So I thought I'd say something about that because yeah, very funny phone. Lovely phone. No stuff. Was really it's the sort of stuff that the demons and ones who work for them try to do your head over, isn't it? Shannon saying for 100,000 years to me during my night terrors. Meanwhile, in the real world, all these horrible things that are happening to you unknown, and you'll never escape it. And what's real to me is what I make real. I love you. What I choose to make real is non-abusive stuff. Not me being abused, no one else being abused, and no one being an abuser. That's real to me. That's what I want to make real. You want that when somebody will say, if they're limiting you, they'll say, this is what you get. Put up with a bitch. Nah. Because I don't like that. So what we have instead is this amazing universe we have. Yeah. Which says, what do you want? Are you not happy with what's going on? I'm not either. Can I help? What do you want? She says, blah, 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 you don't think you can make it right here. Well, let's see if we can find someone. And I'd say, well, tried all those places, but I want even more like this. And she'd say, well, go ahead, make it. So I did. And she helped me with that, and she's still helping me with that, and I'm helping her with that. And we're both really enjoying our lives and our existences, and that's what's real for us. The nature of reality is, if you don't like what's going on, change it. As long as it's righteous love and in love with and respect, you just change it. And if you can't do it straight away, you work on it. Because if it is worth changing, you just change it, no matter how long it takes. That's what you do. If it's a noble cause, if it's righteous love and in love with and respect, you just change it. And if you can't work out how to change it, you can ask me, you can ask the universe. And if we can't work out how to change it, find somebody else who's changing things. See if you can help them. If it's within your agreement, within what you agree to what you want to change, if it's righteous love and in love with and respect, go for it. Love you! and keep working on your stuff as well. Love you. And love you. So we go from there. You have a question. What is the question? Love you. I'm currently residing in Calabria, which is a place I made. In music, it's called, the song is Destination Unknown, also known as Destination Calabria. I wrote it in 2000 or something. Yeah, so in my time, 2023, so it took a while. Did I work on it? Yeah, I worked on it. How long did it take? Well, but I worked on it for a while. Do you want help working on something? It's still something that you can just don't need to. Are you calling from one of those places that they claiming your meat? Oh, hang on. I'll get some others who will come rescue you. Alright. That's that.